How can I free up storage in Yahoo Mail? If you are wondering how to free up storage in Yahoo Mail, you are not alone. Managing your email storage is important for keeping your inbox organized and running smoothly. Yahoo Mail provides a generous free storage limit of 1 terabyte, which is quite a lot compared to many other email services. However, it is still essential to keep an eye on your storage usage. Let's go through some simple steps to help you free up space in your Yahoo Mail account. First, you need to check your storage usage. To do this, log into Yahoo Mail using a desktop browser. Unfortunately, you won't find storage details in the mobile app. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to access settings. Select More Settings from the drop-down menu. At the bottom left of the settings panel, you will see your total storage and the percentage used. This information will give you a clear idea of how much space you need to free up. Next, consider deleting unnecessary emails. Use the search function to find emails from specific senders or those with large attachments. You can also sort your emails by size or date to identify old or large messages that can be removed. After deleting emails, don't forget to empty your trash folder to permanently free up that space. Another helpful tip is to use smart folders and filters. Smart folders automatically categorize emails into groups like social notifications, travel, and promotions. This makes it easier to bulk delete or archive groups of emails. You can also create custom folders and filters to automatically sort incoming emails, which helps reduce clutter in your inbox. Yahoo Mail may also provide cleaning suggestions based on your past behavior. These recommendations can help you quickly identify groups of emails to delete or archive, making the cleanup process faster. If you want to take it a step further, consider using third-party tools for email management. Tools like Clean Email can automate the cleanup process by grouping emails, unsubscribing from unwanted newsletters, and setting up rules to delete or archive emails automatically. These tools can also help organize your inbox by creating bundles and filters. If you want to keep emails but free up inbox space, use the archive feature. Archiving moves emails out of your inbox without deleting them, keeping your inbox tidy while retaining important messages. Lastly, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to review and clean your inbox regularly. This will help you prevent reaching storage limits and maintain an organized mailbox. By following these steps, you can effectively free up storage in Yahoo Mail, keep your inbox organized, and avoid any issues related to storage limits. Even with a large 1 terabyte quota, good email management practices will improve your overall email experience.